Hey everyone, today I'm going to unbox this new portable monitor that I've purchased today. Um, it's an Amazon brand, I believe, because it was purchased through Amazon. It's a Kenowa Portable Monitor. Excuse my pronunciation for this product, I've never heard of the name. Okay, so wait. Is the screen itself. Let me put that aside. What's in the box? Pretty much a HDMI cable, which is fantastic. Got a USB Type-C cable. Another USB-A to USB Type-C cable, which is, I believe, the power cable for this. And the instructions. I'm going to shove this aside. Sounds that one. And this guy. So that's all the parts included with it. So we put this aside. Instruction manual. And then this is the actual device itself. It's very light, to be honest. It's extremely light. Can even use it probably two hands. Pretty impressive how light this screen is. That's the kickstand. It's a pretty solid kickstand there. Adjustable in a lot of angles there as well. So guys, before I plug this monitor in, just wanted to show you what are the available ports on it. So here on the right side, you've got a USB Type A with the power button and the brightness settings or keys. Over here on the left side, we also have one HDMI cable and two USB Type-C ports and one headphone jack. And here at the bottom of the screen, you have the two screen speakers there as well. We're gonna plug it in now and give it a try. All right, I just plugged it in. Plugged in I'm just using a PlayStation 3 for this purpose only. And to test it, I plugged it in using a HDMI cable. The graphics or the resolution on this monitor is amazing, actually. I'm pretty surprised. So let's just do a quick game on it. I've just inserted a little GTA game on it. Just give that a crack. So for those wondering if it's actually powered by battery or not, it's not. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a built-in battery. It needs to be powered over a USB port or the USB adapter as well. So it's a 5-volt adapter that it comes with it. It's amazing that it does have a built-in speaker as well. On the side, you can control the speaker with it. Speaker volume. Okay, so after going back and forth, I managed to get the screen running. There was a couple of things I need to get used to in terms of the settings, because the site settings in here, the keys when you press them, they're not straightforward because each button has its own. It's got multiple options in there as well. So you're going to have to refer to the user manual to get through it. The screen isn't bright enough from what I can see as well. It's pretty dark. So I'm not sure if you can actually see it in the video there, but from what I'm looking at, it's pretty dark. So even if I turn off the light here in the room, that's how the quality is. It isn't that bad, but it's still, it could be better. Okay, I've gone ahead and connected it to my laptop via HDMI cable. The resolution is okay, again, for the price that you pay for this monitor, our portable monitor, I should say. The screen is okay. It's very dim, and it's not as bright as obviously some of the other screens that are out there. Overall, I think out of 5, I guess I would just give it 3 stars, only because of the brightness of it itself. Because if you're planning to play games on it, you could potentially, if you're sitting somewhere bright, you'll struggle to see anything on the screen itself. Unless you're sitting in your room at night, playing at night, you won't have any issues. But during the day, you'll definitely have issues being able to view the screen. So I've actually gone ahead and changed the brightness settings, and this is sitting at the highest brightness that's out there at the moment or available on this screen, and I still couldn't get it to match even the cheapest normal TVs that are out there. But overall, for its purpose, it does the job. All right, that should wrap up our video here. Thanks very much, everyone, for watching. See you in the next.